Hey guys, in this video today I'm gonna make the viral clean girl makeup look. This look is trending all over social media and TikTok and YouTube. This is like an everyday makeup look and it is very easy. So come on, let's start. So already I have cleansed the face. Now I'm applying PAC Aquablast water based moisturizer. So skincare is very important for achieving this look. So this lightweight formula sweeps across the face just like serum. This is great for oily or combination skin type. This moisturizer works on the first layer of the skin and gives just the right moisture without making skin oily or greasy. It leaves your skin feeling moisturized, smooth and supple and does not clog your pores. It preps the skin perfectly for the flawless makeup. Next, I am applying Vaseline lip balm to moisturize and hydrate my lips. Next, I am taking orange corrector from the PAC concealer palette in the shade Go Deep. I use orange corrector to hide the uneven or darker areas on my face. I am using PAC concealer brush 074 to blend the product well. Next, I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. This is a lightweight creamy concealer that provides medium to full coverage. It can be used under the eyes as well as on the blemishes. This concealer gives natural coverage and makes the skin look fresh, and also it is very affordable. I am blending the concealer into the skin as well as removing the excess product using Beauty Blender. Next, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I am mixing it with PAC Strobing Cream. I am taking small amounts of the foundation and applying it on my face. Next, I am using Beauty Blender to blend the product. Beauty Blender takes the excess product and gives smooth and flawless finish. For contour, I am taking the darker shade from the PAC concealer palette and applying it on the cheekbones, forehead and the sides of the nose. Once you have applied contour to the areas of the face, it's time to blend it out. Use a regular foundation brush or blending brush and tap over the contoured area. I am using PAC blending brush to blend the product into the foundation. We don't want to see any harsh lines or streaky lines, so blending is very important. I am using fingers to blend the product in the nose area. Next, I am applying cream blush. I am applying cream lipstick as my blush. For natural flushy look, cream blush is best. Next, I am using PAC setting powder to set the base. Next, I am using Sugar Contour the Force mini blush in the shade Salmon Superstar to add some pigment to my cheeks. For eyeshadow, I am taking this brown color from Nykaa Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette in the shade Beachside Peach. I am applying the product on the crease and blending it using the PAC blending brush. We can create soft looks using this eyeshadow palette. The color payoff is very good and it is easily blendable. And also this palette is super affordable. Next, I am using Etude House eyebrow pencil to fill my brows. I am applying small hair-like strokes in the direction of the hair growth to get the most natural looking eyebrows. For eyeliner, I am using Miss Claire plain eyeliner in the shade brown color. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. This mascara wand is easy to use. It doesn't get messy even if you are not a pro at it. For highlighter, I am using Swiss Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter. Just apply a little bit of product. It gives me a natural and sun-kissed look. Liner, I am using PAC lip pencil in the shade mauve. For lipstick, I am using Nykaa So Cream Creamy Matte Lipstick. This lipstick has soft creamy texture, so it glides smoothly and effortlessly on the lips, just like butter. That's it guys, this is my version of the clean girl makeup look. Hope you like this video. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.